Hello everyone, welcome to another video. The Thermaltake H200 was designed to be sleek, clean, budget friendly and most of all fulfill the basic but important needs of PC builders. The H200 TG RGB is designed for the PC builders who want a clean and sleek look but crave for good looks and cooling performance and tempered glass at the same time. Although the ventilation in the front is restrictive and the chassis only ships with one exhaust fan at the rear, in my opinion you can't use this straight out of the box. However, banging in an all-in-one liquid cooler or good quality fans mounted to the front of the case like I did sure does the trick nicely. The H200 TG RGB is a compact mid-tower chassis that can support up to ATX motherboards, although you will find using custom cable kits a bit of a challenge on installation without training your cables into a tight 90-degree turn first of all. But as I'm sure you will agree, they look damn good. As before mentioned, it comes with one pre-installed 120mm fan and an RGB button located on the front I/O that can switch between the 19 light modes that are quite nice, especially the static rainbow effect. I am actually quite fond of how this case looks on the outside with its textured paint finish, sophisticated lines and the unusual shape of the tempered side panel. The H200 TG RGB does come with a built-in PSU cover, however the PSU window to me does look unfinished. However, the two cutouts at the back are perfectly placed for cable management and although not needed, also houses two removable SSD or 2.5-inch drive trays. The PSU cover has enough room to support up to a 300mm radiator in the front. Although the H200 doesn't officially support it, I can't see any reason why it couldn't fit in there other than using a modular PSU. The tempered glass hinge door is designed with a smart locking system which consists of a push-pull clamping mechanism and two magnets which I absolutely love. It's a very nice touch to the overall looks of the case and it is hidden by a painted border around the glass panel. It gives it a very nice clean look overall. So moving on to the front I/O, which comes with a large selection of ports and buttons which consist of one power button, one reset button, one RGB control button, HDD light indicator, two USB 3.0 ports and mic and audio ports. I would have loved to have seen the power button illuminate or even some of the other ports too, but that would have been a hefty premium. But the TT logo on the front does glow like the sidebar on the front panel, which is absolutely fab. But please note and be aware that there is barely any wiggle room behind the motherboard tray for cable management on the H200 TG RGB, so fitting my custom cable extensions was an absolute nightmare. So I would strongly suggest using a modular PSU with a full custom cable kit when building it in this case. So one last detail, the H200 TG RGB does come with a full-length removable dust filter on the underbelly of the case and a magnetic dust filter on the top for easy cleaning and maintenance. So being priced at £60 at the time of this video, I would say it is a great affordable case for a low to mid-tier gaming PC. So being priced at £60 at the time of this video, I would say it is a great affordable case for a low to mid-tier gaming PC and gets our silver award today, so well done Thermaltake, you've bagged yet another silver. So I hope you enjoyed looking at this H200 today, so thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit like. If you loved it, subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one. So until then, take care, bye.